Alright, welcome back everybody. It's me, KB. You can only see my fingers because today I'm doing a test of PUBG Mobile game on Chrome OS. So, if you have seen my old videos on why I love Chrome OS and how to install Chrome OS on any PC, then you know what's going on here. So actually, the Chrome OS I'm using right now is a Feddy OS, which is a Chrome OS distro for any PC. And I specifically choose Feddy OS because Feddy OS is the only Chrome OS distro which works perfectly, okay, just like a Chromebook Chrome OS. So it has a support for Android apps and Linux, which is like same thing as the original Chrome OS. So this is not a Chromebook. This is a my actual PC, Windows PC, and I have done the dual boot with Windows 10 and I love Chrome OS. Okay, so I will put link in the description for the videos where I showed you how to install Chrome OS on PC and plus why I love Chrome OS. Okay, you can go there and watch those videos. I will put link in the description. Yeah, just go there. So without taking a long time, let's just do the test. So first I'm gonna do the PUBG Mobile test, okay, and after that Call of Duty. So I have installed both of them. So now it's time to do the thingy. So as we load the game, I'm gonna talk about my PC specs. So first is I have installed it on a SSD. Okay, it's not installed on HDD. Okay. Second, I have i7 7th generation with integrated Intel GPU, and I also have a NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti, but I strongly believe that Chrome OS cannot use the NVIDIA GPU. Okay, so it's just using a integrated Intel GPU. So it has nothing to do with the NVIDIA. If you don't have NVIDIA GPU, don't worry, it won't use anyway. Maybe, I don't know, but in my case, it does not. Okay, it just uses the built-in GPU of Intel CPU. Okay, and hopefully you can hear the sound of the PUBG Mobile. It's coming from this headset. So yeah, maybe you can hear that. Okay, now it's time to do the real test. Okay, actually this is so smooth. So people who like want to try the Chrome OS and then want to play the PUBG Mobile game, yes, it's playable, and at least for me, since I'm using the SSD, it's like super duper fast. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find the match actually. So I'm gonna select whatever match I have, maps I have. I have Irregal and Weekendy. I don't play PUBG Mobile that much, okay, so don't make fun of me. So I'm gonna try to find the solo. Okay, and let's start. And yeah, hopefully we'll find the match quicker. Hope. All right, finally we found the match. It took me around 1.5 minutes. Very nice, I like it. And now we need to talk about a few more things about the playing a PUBG Mobile game on Chrome OS. Actually, on any Chrome OS, this is a big deal actually. So first of all, there is no key mapping tool, but game runs like butter. Okay, wow, it's super fast. Oh man, look at this. I don't even know how to do the jumpy, so I may have to enable some settings. Give me a second, guys. Alright, I'm dropping somewhere. I don't know. Don't make fun of me because I don't play this game that much. So as I was talking, so there is no way to make a key mapping, do a key mapping in Chrome OS as of now. I actually did lots of research and I tried lots of applications and none of them actually worked. Okay, so default WASD works. Okay, so to move around, WASD works, but I have to use my mouse click to do like this. What do you call it? Camera movement. It's really hard. But look at this, the game is so freaking smooth. Okay, so this is the only downside, that you cannot do the key mapping in Chrome OS as of now. So, you know, since we can run Android apps, entire Android actually, in Chrome OS, Google should make some type of key mapping tool built in. I know it's not impossible because other people have done. Oh no, someone is coming for me now. Okay, I have to run. I don't know how do I run. Okay, how do I run? Okay, this is the auto run. Okay, nice. I'm gonna run away. Oh no, I think that's a bot. Let me do a graphic change. I'm gonna try to get the highest settings possible. Realistic, okay. And new settings have been reduced the frame rate. Okay. So you can see, even if in max settings, you can see there is not a single frame drop or anything like that. Even though we can't see the frame rate right here, but you can see by the gameplay, there is no frame drop. So let me do this, and yeah, now you can see clearly, because you know my phone is not that great at recording stuffs, but you can see there is not a single frame drop. So I'm gonna try to find some guns actually. So yeah, if you want to try the PUBG Mobile game on your Chrome OS, then yeah, it's playable. It's very much playable, since at least in PC. Okay, if you do dual boot or just want to install the Chrome OS in your PC, then yes, it's very playable. Actually, way much better than even in mobile phone. If you use your phone, I don't think you're gonna get this much of performance. Like, look at this. This is so smooth. So yeah, as I was saying, Google should do the key mapping thingy in Chrome OS. Since we can run Android, we can we should also have that. Oh, I don't know how to jump. Oh, this is how you jump. Let me get the guns. Do we have guns? Oh man, this is so good. So smooth. But I'm sad because we don't have a key mapping tool, which is very bad. Okay, someone is coming outside. Hope that is a bot and I can kill with him with my fist. I think I can. He's just a bot. Okay, I got one kill. Look at me. I'm a bot killer. Official bot killer. So you get the idea, guys. Look at me. But if you have a touch PC, you're in luck. I mean, you can use your touch and play on big screen. Look at this, the performance. Man, this is so good. I don't even have words. You know, any game is playable at smoothest thingy. I mean, there will be no lag. As you know, the PUBG Mobile game is one of the heaviest game for the phones, but look at me. I'm playing on Chrome OS and it is just freaking amazing. Okay, and I also got one kill. And yeah, that wasn't a bot. Actually, it was a bot. You can run Linux, you can run Android, you can run Chrome OS. So this is like all in one OS. That's why I love Chrome OS. You know, this is the thing. But you know, we also need lots of tools like key mapping tools for the gamers. Okay, but the other games like touch games, like maybe you want to play Clash of Clans, Clash Royale or something like that, those games will be definitely playable because you don't need lots of controls for that. You just need to touch the screen, and you can do that by using your mouse, which is easy peasy in my opinion. But playing a complex game like this, you will need a key mapping tool. So there is no way to do a key mapping. Maybe I don't know, but that's why I asked you guys. If you know how to do the key mapping in Chrome OS, please let me know. Please, FediOS developers, add the key mapping tool for gamers. Okay, another bot. Uh, Let me find him. Okay, I can't find him. Where is he? Oh no, is he behind me? Oh, I found him. You're gonna die. Boy, you can't kill me. Bot cannot kill me. Look at me, I'm getting 2 kills. I'm great. So yeah, actually I'm gonna try to contact with the FediOS developers and let's see what they say. Hope they will reply to my mail if I can find the contact. But you know, this should be a universal thing. If Google adds a key mapping tool to the Chrome OS, then it will become the universal thing. So yeah, it will be amazing. You know, they should add the key mapping tool in Chrome OS because you know everything is playable. You know, that is the main reason why they add the Android in Chrome OS, because so you can play Android apps and games. So it's entirely not playable. Some games are not. Oh, I see some people over there. Actually, I'm gonna use scope and gonna call him. Is he there? Okay, if he is a human, he's gonna kill. Oh, I can see him. Look at me, guys. My eyesight is great. Or maybe not. Okay. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're enjoying this gameplay too. I had 2 kills in Chrome OS without using any what do you call it, key mapping tools. If there was possibility, I would use the key mapping tool, but you know, I can't. I mean, it's not possible, at least for me. Okay, is there an PP? Come on. They must be camping, man. I hate campers. So yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I will put link in the description for the videos on how to install Chrome OS on your PC if you want to try. And if you were curious to know how to know, is the PUBG Mobile game playable? Yes, it is playable, but the downside is that you cannot do a key mapping. Okay, you cannot. So that is the only downside of it. But it's playable and it is amazing. But if you have a touch screen, you're a god. Okay, you will become PUBG Mobile god. So yeah, now it's time to test our Call of Duty actually. So I'm gonna close this. Look at this, so smooth. I like it. So I have a sad news for Call of Duty players, that Call of Duty does not run in this Chrome OS. I don't think it will also run on original Chrome OS Chromebooks, because you know the game will detect it as a emulator. And PUBG Mobile, I mean the Call of Duty is really strict about the cheating and all that kind of stuff. So they only support their official emulator, which is the, I don't know, Game Loop or something. So which is actually a program for Windows 10 and you can easily play. But as of now, this is not playable in Chrome OS. PUBG Mobile game just, not PUBG Mobile, come on man. The Call of Duty is just, you know, crashes itself, closes itself. So yeah. And yeah, that's it. If you want to play other games, you can, like which doesn't need a key mapping. You can see I have done lots of research. Even in Google Play Store, I tried to find the key mapping tools, but I couldn't. I did find, but it didn't work on Chrome OS. So let me download like Clash Royale. Like these games are playable actually. So I'm not gonna download it. I'm just gonna do the test only. Okay. All right. The music is really loud. So you can see these games are really playable. Okay, it's easy peasy. So, and you can see it's super fast too. So everything is playable. I'm not saying that nothing is playable, but the problem is that we don't have a key mapping tool, and some games doesn't support emulator. So the Android for PC will always be kind of emulator for games. Okay, it's not a actual phone, so they will always detect as a emulator. So the game which supports emulator, they will run perfectly fine in this. Okay, games, apps, doesn't matter what, but you get the idea. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Yeah. Bye bye.